Here we are going to see the use of pass keyword in Python. Here I have a if statement. Okay. After this particular colon, we need to provide at least one statement. Okay. So if I didn't provide at least one statement, we'll see an error. We can see this indentation expected, right? So I need to provide at least one statement. Okay, maybe like a equal to something. Okay, but when you develop a particular program, you may not get some idea about what statement to be given. If this particular condition is true, you want to do something but you don't know what exactly to be done there. Okay, so in that case, at least one statement should be there, right? Okay, so if you are not sure what to write for the time being, we can simply put pass. In future you can add whatever the logic, so you can provide pass for the time being, otherwise your code won't compile, right? So similarly, in a while loop, I need to provide at least one statement. Similarly, we can use the same thing in a for loop. Similarly, in a function. Similarly, if we are creating a class, I want to create a class but I don't know what exactly to be written there. Okay, so we need, after this particular colon, Python is expecting at least one statement, otherwise your code won't compile. I hope you got some idea about the use of pass keyword. Thanks for watching this.